What's your word of the day ahead of the election, ahead of the Fed decision? What is your word of the day that's going to encapsulate how you see today shaping up?
It's prepare. It's basically putting a shopping list together and using any volatility that we get this week from the elections, from earnings, from the Fed, and make a shopping list to be buying because the economy is strong. We're running at about 2.5%, 3% growth. Inflation is coming down. The consumer continues to be okay, and they are spending. And manufacturing, anything tied to AI and the power and the grid, it's actually seeing a renaissance, if you will. So I think you look for themes, and then you find some stocks as well. Okay.
You're talking about some of those plays. You gave us a list of names that are kind of tied to that electrification in the grid. Eaton, Quanta, and GE Vernova. Different results since that Fed rate cut. Do you believe a potential another quarter basis point cut coming up on Thursday we're widely expecting? Does that give these names another leg up, or is that already priced into these companies?
Well, I think that just if you have the Fed in a rate cut cycle, whether it's 25 basis points in November this month or next month or next year, that is favorable for risk assets. I think it's actually more positive for financials versus the grid and power manufacturers. But I like both themes very much. And I think overall, if the Fed is cutting and the economy continues to be strong, that's good. That's good for earnings, by the way, broadly speaking.
All right. So you say investors should prepare. I don't think anybody could have prepared for that Iowa poll that shows Harris with a lead in Iowa within the margin of error. It's important to point out, but within the margin of error, but still showing a lead in Iowa. And we've seen what some people believe is kind of an unwinding of the Trump trade, with bond yields pulling back a bit, the dollar down about 0.5%. Is that how you see it? And if so, should you be preparing for some of this volatility?
Yeah, I absolutely prepare for volatility. We don't know. We don't even know if we're going to get an answer, Frank, on Wednesday, right? So I think that no matter who gets in, there are a couple things. Both are spenders. And so if we think that the deficit is going to be addressed, I do not think it's going to be, number one. And number two, more importantly, it's going to be the makeup of Congress. If it's a mixed Congress, the markets will like that because that's more gridlock and there's no surprises. If there's a sweep on either side, I think the markets will be much more volatile.
All right, Steph, now's the fun part. What is your pick for us today and why?
Amazon. I know it had a nice move last week, but it has lagged the Mag 7 year to date. And I still think the valuation is pretty compelling at about 14 times EBITDA. The long-term average is about 17, 18 times. The company reported excellent results last week, but the most important thing, we were all expecting top line to be strong, double digits. They came in that way. But the profitability was the big surprise. And I think they're going to continue to see operating margin expansion and operating leverage as a result. I mean, you had 780 basis points of operating margin expansion in their highest margin business, which is AWS, at 38.1%. That is really very impressive on top of the 19% total revenue growth in that segment alone. So I still like that one. I think it's going to rally into the end of the year.